At least 60 people have been killed and dozens more wounded when two blasts hit northwestern tribal region of Pakistan. The attack targeted an office of a senior government official in the Mohmand ethnic Pashtun tribal region on the Afghan border.
Soon after the blast, we rushed there, fearing some of our dear ones may have been hit. When we got there, we saw nothing but dead bodies all over the area. We and the ambulances started shifting the injured to the hospitals.
The huge explosion destroyed more than 70 shops in the commercial neighborhood while damaging several cars nearby. The blasts went off within seconds of each other when more than 200 people gathered outside the office and the officials were distributing wheelchairs to disabled people and equipment to poor farmers. The country's top Taliban group, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, has claimed responsibility for the attack, saying an anti-Taliban jirga was going on in the area.
While I was at the gate, I heard two blasts. First one was a small one, but the second one was of huge intensity. It was really a massive explosion. I guess heavy explosives must have been used in it.
Situation is that the coward act has been carried out. This is a coward act because there was a peace in Mohmand Agency, especially this Yakagund Tehsil was very peaceful. The life was normal, There was a business over here. People were happy because of the peace, and this peace was, it was not liked by the militants.
The attack came days after the information minister for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, formerly known as Northwest Frontier Province, in a press conference said that Taliban are reorganizing in the tribal agencies around the city of Peshawar and are planning major attacks. Mohmand is one of the 7 semi-autonomous tribal agencies of northwest Pakistan, which has witnessed rising unrest in recent weeks as security forces have been fighting against Taliban believed to be hiding in the tribal belt. Security forces claim to have cleared Pakistan's tribal agencies of Taliban. However, recent incidents and reports have raised fears that Taliban are regrouping in the area. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.